Cochran is joining the newly branded Rockstar Gas team for 2025. And for him, this isn't really the biggest move in the world. You consider he was on Rockstar Husqvarna last season. So, same main sponsor, still underneath the KTM umbrella of bikes, the Orange Brigade, whatever you want to call it. And for him, it's just on to the new side of things. He's joining Justin Barsha and also Ryder DiFrancesco for the 3 rider team. So you're going to have, one 250 rider for each coast, obviously, with Justin Barsha doing the 450 work for the rest of the season. So it's kind of one of those, let's see how this goes. And personally, I really like how this bike looks. The red, or red with the gold and black of the Rockstar NG livery. I don't know what you want to call it, like logo with the livery. I think it looks really good. Not that the Troy Lee designs was bad, not saying anything like that. I don't think this is a bad switch over. And I've seen a lot of people saying they don't like it, but that's not here nor there. Obviously, the livery doesn't change how the bike runs, but it's going to be one of those things. Let's see how he does. Obviously, moving to a different side of the garage, different team, it is going to change things a little bit and see how he falls. Obviously, I don't know which coast he's going to, so if you do know, comment down below. Give me some insight if you've heard anything on where him or Ryder is going to be racing, whether they're east or west. I'm going to assume. Let's put this out here. I'm going to say Cochran east, Ryder west. That's going to be my prediction for the year. Could be completely wrong. Obviously, it's a 50-50 chance, so who knows? But this is where I leave you guys. Comment down below. You guys tell me. Good move, bad move. What do you think of the bike, the livery? How do you think it looks? What do you think of Troy Lee Designs leaving them and possibly going to, or at least rumored going to Ducati for 2026? How well do you think Casey does? How well do you think Gas does in general? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.